I see you cry.
You are right.
Concerning your marriage. Today is your first time. Do you know me?
No.
I was seeing a man with you before.
You are right.
All of a sudden, this man disappeared.
You are right.
As you are talking to me, you are crying. You are crying to me.
Yes.
And this is a man that's supposed to be your husband. All of a sudden, I don't know, the enemy, they enter into this man.
You are right.
The man just hates you for no reason.
Right.
You were happy that I'm married. You were happy, oh God, I've done it. All of a sudden, this man, you love you so much. And you love this man so much. You love this man with all your heart. All of a sudden, this man break your heart. He disappointed and you are crying. Till today, you are still crying to God. God, avert for me. Why are you crying? Is it true?
It's true.
And today's your first time?
Yes.
Who is this baby?
It's my daughter.
Where is the father?
It's...
Can I prophesy?
Prophesy, man of God.
Look at the woman. Look at it. Today's your first time.
Yeah, yes.
You are not come here.
I don't even know this place.
You don't even know this place.
A back man directed.
A back man directed you here. Can I prophesy?
Prophesy, man of God.
Come my side. Let me on the lights. Come.
Do like your father.
Let me on the light. No.
Yes, sir.
A back man directed you here.
Yes.
You are not seeing me. You are not seeing me. It's a woman that entered this man. A woman told this man. A woman convinced this man, told to this man that you are not a good wife. That you are not the kind of wife. It was a woman that is an agent. It's the woman that is an Ananiah and Sapphira in your marriage. But that woman will die. Hey! Madam, what do you want me to do for you? Fast.
The son of the lion.
Oh, yes.
The son of a woman.
Oh, yes.
The prophetic machine.
Oh, yes.
The son of the lion.
Oh,
yes. AKA
God is here.
Eh?
Restoration.
Your marriage.
Yes.
Do you need it now or later?
I need it now.
Madam, because of your goodness, even this man, you are helping him. I said you are helping him.
Yes.
You are helping him.
Yes. You are right.
You are even you are the one that bring the man up
You are right.
financially. Eh? This man is what?
You are right.
This man is what?
You are right. You are very correct. 100%.
100. You know what do you mean 100 and what?
A plus 1.
100 and what?
A plus 1.
You say what?
You are right.
100 and what?
1%.
A1.
Why you sit on that one?
A1 plus.
A1 plus.
Yes.
Over percent. Oversized grace.
Oh, yes.
Somebody have a power.
Power.
I want to tell you something. Your husband want to go and marry another woman.
The woman has already given the child to him.
Eh?
The woman have a baby for him already.
I said my God is about to avert for your marriage. This man will call you and beg you and apologize. Do you believe my God?
I believe. I believe.
If I be a man of God, I underline it. I take it in Jesus' name.
Amen.
This baby is your child.
She is my child.
You need to pray against sickness.
Yes.
Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Oppression. It's not the portion of the child.
Amen.
This child is brilliant.
You are right.
Computer.
Yes.
First class.
Oh my God. You are right.
100 what?
Very correct.
100 what?
101.
1.
Yes.
A plus.
Yes.
A plus 1. Oversized grace.
Because they see the brilliance of the child, they want to attack the child. But I revise the attack.
Amen.
Battle set down.